Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0051 error code and running inefficiently? This issue can cause poor fuel economy, rough idling, and even failed emissions tests. Ignoring it could lead to engine performance issues and increased fuel costs. In this video we'll cover what P0051 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because fixing this issue early can save you from costly repairs and poor performance. The P0051 code stands for Heated Oxygen Sensor, HO2S, Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2, Sensor 1. This means that the heater circuit in the upstream oxygen sensor on Bank 2 is receiving lower voltage than required, preventing the sensor from heating up properly. The heater helps the O2 sensor reach operating temperature quickly for accurate fuel adjustments. Symptoms of P0051 include the check engine light turning on, poor fuel economy, rough idling or hesitation, a failed emissions test, and a longer warm-up time for the engine. Common causes of P0051. First, a faulty oxygen sensor, also known as HO2S. The heater inside the sensor may have failed. Second, a blown fuse or faulty relay. A fuse protects the heater circuit. If it's blown, the sensor won't heat up. Third, damaged wiring or connector issues. Broken or corroded wires can disrupt the circuit. Fourth, an ECU malfunction. The engine control unit may not be sending the correct voltage. And lastly, a short or open circuit. A damaged wire in the heater circuit can trigger the error. Where's the oxygen sensor located for P0051? First, Bank 2, Sensor 1 location, also known as the upstream O2 sensor. It's mounted on the exhaust manifold or downpipe before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is usually on the passenger side. Second, the oxygen sensor connector location. The sensor's wiring harness connects to the main engine wiring loom or ECU. Third, the fuse and relay for the heater circuit. These are typically found in the underhood fuse box. Check your vehicle's repair manual for the exact fuse number. And here's a tip. Always check your vehicle's service manual for the precise sensor location based on your engine type. First, check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater terminals. If resistance is too low or infinite, the sensor is faulty and needs replacement. Second, inspect the wiring and connector. Look for frayed, burnt, or disconnected wires. Repair or replace any damaged connections. Third, test the fuse and relay. Locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse and check if it's blown. Replace the fuse if necessary and test the heater circuit. Fourth, check for power at the sensor connector. Use a voltmeter to check if power is reaching the sensor. If there's no power, trace the issue back to the fuse box or ECU. And finally, clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the P0051 code and take your car for a test drive to confirm the fix. So, that's everything you need to know about P0051, HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2, Sensor 1. If you're dealing with this issue, check your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuse, and heater circuit first. For more important car fixes, check out these videos next. First, P0125. Insufficient coolant temperature for closed-loop fuel control. Second, P0266, cylinder 2 contribution balance fault. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.